everyone, my name is Aarti. I hope you all are doing your English practice properly and regularly. I know that this is not an easy step, but still, when you will start this journey, you will always be confused about this journey. But after some time, by doing continuous efforts into this, you will see amazing results because I have seen those. That's why I'm saying this. So here I'm going to introduce so many things which I have literally realized in my this journey. So let's begin this video. Number one thing, that when you will speak in English, your confidence will speak. For example, I know that I am not good at it, but if you know at least little bit of English, somehow you have upgraded your level, so you will feel that confidence in yourself. So at least learn this language and do your practice just to encourage yourself, just to uplift your confidence, so that you can talk in English, you can express yourself, you can do conversation with anyone. Like, you don't have to judge yourself first of all, and you have to work over your confidence level, and it will help you a lot. Number second thing which I have realized, and till now I have been working on it, and I hope that one day will come when I'll be like overcome this. So this is my fear. This comes in my fear list. Like, whenever I am trying to speak better in front of the camera, I don't know what happens in back of the mind. Like, I just feel that somebody is watching me and judging me. And after thinking about this, my speed of speaking always slows down, and I don't know how does it happen, but it happens with me. So I'm just thinking of overcome this fear of speaking, so, and fear of judgment. I don't know how much time it will take to like overcome this, but I am in this journey where not only in terms of speaking, in terms of many things in my life, I always think about others' opinion, what that person is thinking about me, and that is the biggest fear of my life. Like, if I'll do something, that person will be there to judge me, to criticize me, to point out towards me. So I am literally scared of others' judgment somehow. I don't know why, but still I am in the journey of overcome this fear. Number third thing which I have realized in this journey is, not in only this journey, even any journey you take it and just live that journey, you will feel that beautiful nature of anything which you are doing, something which is giving you all time that positive vibe, and you will be living in it. And I know that when you will live that dream, when you will live that goal, like, I'm going to be this person and this is my journey and I'm here to live this moment, you will realize that every journey is so beautiful. Like, even in any kind of thing, like, you will compare that journey. So sometimes what people do, they always focus on the result. They always think that how beautiful that result is, but they don't see, I'm not talking about all the people, but some people like me, like before, I used to think like this, that I have to achieve this is so beautiful, this is so good, this is greatest goal, and something like this. But after some failures, I realized that sometimes things are about journey, not about the result. So 99% of the times we have been passing, or we have been living that journey. So instead of just passing the journey, we should live that journey, and that will give us lots of motivation, lots of positive things, and lots of positive ideas, and you will feel that how you are living your life. And that is so powerful, and you should be grateful for everything which you have in your journey. So sometimes I don't know what is this, but this is something which always give me that motivation to go forward in my life. Number fourth thing, you have to create that environment. Like, in your surrounding, you have to create that environment. Like, in my way, like, I was literally in starting was used to feel like this, that I don't have any practice partner, I don't have any kind of friend who can just do this practice with me. I used to call my friends so that they can talk to me in English, but they used to make fun of me. I don't know why. Maybe it is fun for them, but I was very serious about this, okay? And people do think like, this is very common, we are studying in English, we are like reading everything in English, and we know what is the meaning of any English sentence or English like paragraph or letter, something which you have in English, you understand that. But I was like much more serious about that I have to go through this journey, I have to learn this language. So sometimes people will not understand your goal, your dream, your part of achievements, but you will have to give that importance to everything which you want in your life. So sometimes even a small step of your life can change your perspective all around, and that is the most important thing which we want in our life. Small achievements will lead to the greatest achievement of our life. And every single of every single second of our life we are just learning something, we are doing mistakes, and we are again trying something new. So this is something which we don't like. Don't take that pressure of not getting something in your journey. Like, achievements are different, and you are giving efforts to achieve something is different. So in my opinion, these both things are different. So yeah, just focus on your part of life, like you are giving time into such things, just love that. So number fifth thing, and that is the last important thing, that is, if you have someone in your life who supports you wherever you are, whatever you are doing, you are just living what you want to be. So if someone is there to just support you, to encourage you, and in my journey, always from starting, my parents are the biggest support. And not in learning this language or starting this YouTube channel, not in terms of giving all the facilities, not in terms of anything specific, but in terms of everything. Everything, you just name it, in every aspect of things. My parents, they always encouraged me, they always supported me, and till now, after like I have faced lots of failures. Like in my life, it's a big failure. Like 6 years, I have just wasted in something, and I didn't get anything. And I should be upset about this. But as I told you, that the biggest support of my life, my parents, they have already changed my life by not just giving support, but believing in me. They believed in me when no one was there, they believed in me. So whenever you are doing something, even which is very small, but still someone is there who is just giving you that support, like, you can do it bro, you just do it, you can do it. अगर ये कहने वाला कोई है कि तुम कर सकती हो. So this was something which I really wanted to share with you, and I hope you will love this video, because this is something which I have, like, very raw video, because I have just expressed my all the ideas, all the thoughts about this journey, and any journey which everyone has different journey. So this is something which I have realized, and I thought that if I'm thinking something, why should I not record this? So that's why I thought that I should put this video on my channel, and I hope you will like this video. Please like and share and subscribe this channel if you really want to, like, watch more videos on this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Bye bye, see you again in the next video.